Hello and welcome to the instructional video. Today we will tell you how to improve your computer for little money so that it becomes like new. We will not dive into technical details, but simply find out what needs to be done and why it will give the desired result. If your operating system is installed on the HDD, transfer it to a solid-state drive, and although the prices for SSDs are still quite high, it will still be the most profitable investment in computer performance. The fact is that the SSD has a much higher information exchange rate than the HDD, and today this fact is not subject to discussion at all. Buy an SSD with a small amount of memory for little money, and this will be enough for comfortable operation of the operating system. Leave the old HDD as a data storage. Connecting an SSD to the desktop computer motherboard is simple and easy. It's a little more difficult to do in a laptop and a candy bar, as well as in an iMac. Solid-state drive is connected instead of a DVD drive using a special and inexpensive HDD caddy for laptop notebook. Don't be upset, because the DVD can be replaced with a USB flash drive, and if necessary, you can buy an external DVD-RV USB drive. And so, the first and most important, transfer the operating system to the solid-state drive, and the words "when you turn on the computer, wait please," will no longer bore you, as the system will boot much faster. And also the long loading of various programs, computer games and videos on YouTube will no longer test your patience so much. Connecting additional RAM to the computer is the second important step to improve device performance. But this will only help if the computer has a 64-bit operating system installed. In order not to dive into the technical details, I'll say briefly, the 32-bit system is so designed that it just does not see more than 4 GB of RAM. Connect 8, 16 or 32 GB of RAM to the computer, but the 32-bit operating system can only use up to 4 GB, and this is its main drawback. Here's Windows 7 32-bit. Open the System Information section. And here we see that on this computer the system is 32-bit. We also see that there is 16 GB of RAM, and only less than 4 GB is used. And if you install the 64-bit version of Windows on the same computer, then all 16 GB of RAM will work, and this will significantly improve performance. For comfortable work on the internet as well as with graphic programs and modern computer games, you need a lot of RAM. How much, you decide for yourself, but I'll just say that only 64-bit system can work with RAM more than 4 GB, and this will be the third condition for a significant increase in computer performance. So, now you can summarize what you need to do to make your computer work like a new one for little money. The first one. Buy an SSD and transfer the operating system to it, and leave the old HDD as a data warehouse. The second one. Add operating memory as much as possible for your computer, but this is only if you have a 64-bit system. The third. If you want your computer to work quickly and not hang on complex programs, install the 64-bit operating system and you will definitely not regret it. Thank you all for your attention. Good luck.